Okay, I am Dr. Abdul Hai from Nampally Girls College. Write down one question. These are the important questions for second year syllabus. If x is real, if x is real, if x is real, prove that x divided by x square minus 5x plus 9, x square minus 5x plus 9 lies between minus 1 by 11 and 1. Lies between minus 1 by 11 and 1. I think you have understood from which chapter this question came. This is from the first chapter of your syllabus, that is quadratic expression and equation. What is the question? If x is real, we have to prove that this expression, that is x by x square minus 5x plus 9 lies between minus 1 by 11 and 1. ठीक है? अजीज तलबा और तालिबात, ये क्लास इंग्लिश मीडियम, उर्दू मीडियम एंड तेलुगु मीडियम तीनों के लिए भी इम्पोर्टेंट है. इसमें अहम सवालात का इयादा किया जा रहा है. ऑलरेडी आप सवालात कर चुके हैं, फिर एक दफा रिवीजन क्लास हो रही है, समझिए आप इसको. चलिए अब हमको बताना क्या है मालूम, एक बार जो दिया ना, इसको माइनस 1 by 11 और 1 के दरमियान साबित करना है. ओके, नाउ राइट डाउन द सॉल्यूशन. So as it is mentioned in the problem, x is real, so we suppose one of the real value to suppose one of let y be one of the real value. Okay, therefore let y is equal to x divided by x square minus 5x plus 9. Right? What I am doing, as he has mentioned, x is real, therefore I am supposing y is also real. Now therefore y is equal to x by x square minus 5x plus 9. Now on cross multiplication, what happened? Y into x square minus 5x plus 9 is equal to x. Okay, now this is nothing but yx square minus 5xy plus 9y minus x is equal to 0. If I shift the x to left hand side, it becomes minus x. Now I want to make this in the form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so what I am doing, yx square, if I take out x common from this, what happened? 5y plus 1 into x, 5xy minus x plus 9y is equal to 0. Right? Now it becomes in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so therefore it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and it will have real roots if, what is the condition? Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. We know that this will have real and different root if discriminant, that is delta is equal to b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Here, what is the value of a? A is equal to y. What is the value of b? Minus of 5y plus 1. And what is the value of c? C is equal to 9y. Okay. Now I am substituting the same here. Therefore delta is equal to b square minus 4ac, that is delta is equal to b square. What is b square? Minus of 5y plus 1 whole square, minus become plus, minus 4a into c. What is c? 9y. So as you know that this is the condition for delta when it is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 0, because we don't know it has real and equal root. Therefore we have to take delta is equal to b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Is it clear? Now what happened? I am opening this. This implies that 25y square plus 1 plus 2 5 the 10y, 9 4 the 36y square greater equal to 0. If I subtract 25 minus 36, which gives me minus 11y square plus 10y plus 1 greater equal to 0. Because this equation is starting with negative, but I don't want to keep this negative. So what I'm doing, I'm multiplying both sides by negative. So this becomes 11y square minus 10y minus 1 less than equal to 0. Now again it becomes a quadratic equation. Now you know how to find the factors of this, right? Minus 1 into 11 is minus 11. And what are the factors? Minus 11 plus 1 is equal to minus 10. Okay. Now this is nothing but I am finding the factors. 11y square minus 11y plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Verify this. Minus 11y plus y is equal to minus 10y. On multiplying this, minus 11y into y is nothing but minus 11y square. Okay. Now, what is this? 11 is common. If I take out 11 common, y is also common. If I take y is also common, what is inside? Y minus 1. Plus, if I take 1 common here, this is nothing but y minus 1 less than equal to 0. Is it clear? Now, again, y minus 1 is one term which is common. So, 11y plus 1 is in one bracket, y minus 1 is in another bracket. So, which gives me 11y plus 1 less than equal to 0 means 11y is less than equal to minus 1 or y is less than equal to 1, or this gives me y is less than equal to minus 1 by 11 and y is less than equal to 1. So, now I come to my purpose. What is my purpose? I have to show that this expression lies between 1 and minus 1 by 11. So, I got both values. Therefore, the given expression therefore the given expression lies between minus 1 by 11 and plus 1. Is it clear? This is my conclusion. Okay? Have you understood? This is very important question. It was asked previously a number of times. Okay? So, what is the first step? Whenever he say x is real, or in place of that he says if x belongs to R, both are one the same, then we have to show that this expression x by x square minus 5x plus 9 lies between minus 1 by 11 and 1. Okay? What I am supposing? I am supposing, suppose as he says that x is real, I am supposing some another value y, let y is also a real value. Therefore, let y is equal to x by x square minus 5x plus 9. On cross multiplication, this becomes y into x square minus 5x plus 9 is equal to x. On multiplication, this becomes y x square minus 5xy plus 9y minus x less than is equal to 0. Or I am arranging in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So, which gives me y x square minus, if I take out x common, here, this is nothing but minus will be outside 5y plus 1 plus 9y is equal to 0. So, it is the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We know that it will have real roots if delta is equal to b square minus 4ac greater equal to 0. So, this is the condition of discriminant. So, here what is the value of a? A is equal to y. What is the value of b? Minus of 5y plus 1 and c is equal to 9y. I am substituting all these values in this discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac greater equal to 0, that is 5y plus 1 whole square minus 4y into c, 9y. Now, on expanding this is 25y square plus 1 plus 2 5 is 10y minus 4 9 is 36y square. On subtracting 25 minus 36, I am getting minus 11y square plus 10y plus 1 greater equal to 0. As the equation is starting with negative, I want to make this positive. So, I am multiplying by negative on both sides. This becomes 11y square plus 10y minus 1 less than equal to 0. Now, I want to make the factorization of this. So, minus 11y plus y gives me minus 10y. Okay. Now, if I take out 11y common from here, what I am remaining? Y minus 1. If I take out 1 common here, this is y minus 1. Or 11y plus 1 is one term, y minus 1 is another term, which gives me y is less than equal to minus 1 by 11 and y is less than equal to 1. Therefore, I got my aim. Actually, I have to show our expression. What is the question given? As it lies between minus 1 by 11 and plus 1. Therefore, You have to write the last step. Therefore, the given expression lies between minus 1 by 11 and 1. Okay. So this is the first question. Now, come to the next question. I will take one more question of the similar type. Next question. Prove that 1 by 3x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by 3x plus 1 and 2x plus 1. Right? 1 by 3x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by 3x plus 1 into x plus 1 does not lies between 1 and 4. Does not lies between 1 and 4. If, comma, where x belongs to R. Right? In the previous question, you have seen that he has started the question from if x belongs to R or if x is R, if x is real. But in this question, he has given first we have to show that this lies between this where x belongs to R. So both are on the same. Isn't it? Now write down the solution. So as the total expression is in terms of x, we have to suppose one of the real value. Let y be one of the real value. Let y be a real value. Let y is equal to, I am writing this y equal to 3x plus 1, 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by 3x plus 1 into x plus 1. Is it clear? So this is your first step, right? Is equal to. Now, if I take the LCM, what will be the LCM? 3x plus 1 into x plus 1 is the LCM. On taking this will be cancelled. What is remaining? X plus 1. Here, if I divide this, what is remaining? 3x plus 1. Here, both will cancel. What is remains? Only minus 1. Okay. Now, you see that minus 1 plus 1 going to cancel each other, which gives me 3x plus x 4x plus 1 divided by 3x plus 1 into x plus 1. Now, it came to your original position of the first problem. Okay. Now, cross multiply y into 3x plus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 4x plus 1, or y will remain as it is. If I multiply this, what happened? 3x square plus 3x plus x plus 1 is equal to 4x plus 1, or y into 3x square, 3x plus x, 4x plus 1 is equal to 4x plus 1. Okay. Now, if I open this, what happened? 3x square y, 3x square y plus 4xy plus y is equal to 4x plus 1. Okay. If I transfer this to the left hand side, what happened? 3x square y plus 4xy plus y minus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. My purpose is I want to make this into a quadratic in the form of quadratic form, that is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So this is nothing but 3yx square plus, if I take out x common from this two term, what is remain? 4y minus 4 into x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So what is my standard? What is the equation I got? 3y x square plus 4x minus 4 into x, 4y minus 4 into x plus y minus 1. Is it clear? Now, this is a quadratic equation. Okay. So, this is my equation 1. Equation 1 is a quadratic equation. It will have real root if delta is equal to b square minus 4ac greater than equal to 0. Okay. Now, what is by b? Ax square plus b is 4y minus 4. So, 4y minus 4 whole square, right? Minus 4 into a, what is a? 3y into c, y minus 1 greater equal to 0. Is it clear? Now, if I take out 4 common, so this is nothing but, if I take out 4 common, this will be 16 into y minus 1 whole square minus, this is 4 into 3y. If I multiply this, 3y square minus 3y greater than equal to 0. Now, my purpose is, I want to cancel this 4 with 16. So, what it remains? 4 1 4 4 cancel. It gives me 4 into y square plus 1 minus 2y minus, if I open this, this is 3y square minus into minus plus 3y. Now, if I open this, 4y square plus 4, 4 to the 8y minus 3y square plus 3y greater than equal to 0. Now, again, I want to frame this in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Now, you see that 4y square minus 3y square, how much? Y square. Now, minus 8y plus 3y is equal to minus 5y plus 4. Okay, y square minus 8y plus 3y is minus 5y plus 4. So, what is this? Again, it becomes a quadratic equation. Now, what are the factors for this? 4 into y square, 4y square, minus 4y minus y is minus 5y, right? So, this is nothing but y square minus 4y minus y plus 4 greater than equal to 0. If I take out y common, what is inside? Y minus 4. If I take out minus 1 common, it is y minus 4. Or, this gives me y minus 1 into y minus 4 greater than equal to 0, right? So, it means that y is greater than equal to 1 and 4. Therefore, my purpose is, what I have to show? I have to show that this expression does not lie between 1 and 4. Therefore, if you go on the real line, what is your real line? If you go on the real line, first value is starting with 1, and then this is my real line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So, y is greater than equal to 1 means it is starting from this side. Greater than equal to 4 means again it is moving from this. For some time it will remain stays. It will stay here for some time. Then again it is moving. So, it means that it does not lies between 1 and 4, but it does not lies. It is not lying, but it is not lying between 1 and 4. Therefore, this is your conclusion. Therefore, the given expression does not lies between 1 and 4, right? So, you have to write the conclusion as the given expression does not lies between 1 and 4. Don't forget to write this conclusion. If you write this conclusion, you may get 1 mark. If you forget to write this, you may lose 1 mark. Okay. So, this is also a very important question as per the examination point of view. Okay. Write down this. If x belongs to R, find the range of x square plus x plus 1. X square plus x plus 1 divided by x square minus x plus 1. X square plus x plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1. Right? So, method is same, but the way of asking is slightly different. Okay? Now, so what is our first step? As we have seen in the previous questions, what is our first step? We have to assume one of the real value. Let solution, let y be a real value. Therefore, y is equal to x square plus x plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1. Okay. Now, I am doing cross multiplication. Y into x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x square plus x plus 1. Okay. Now, again I am multiplying this. Yx square minus yx plus y is equal to x square plus x plus 1. Okay. Now, this gives me yx square minus yx plus y minus x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, I want to make this into a quadratic form. If I take x square common, what is inside? Y minus 1 x square. Now, if I take out x common, what is inside? Y plus 1 into x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Is it clear? Yx square minus x square minus yx minus x plus y minus 1. So, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. This is my equation 1. Equation 1 is a quadratic equation. It will have real roots if delta equal to b square minus 4ac greater than equal to 0. Okay. Now, what is a? What is the value of a? Y minus 1. What is the value of b? Minus of y plus 1. And what is the value of c? Y minus 1. So, this implies that b square minus of y plus 1. So, this becomes y plus 1 whole square minus 4a y minus 1. What is c? Y minus 1 greater than equal to 0. Or, if I open this, y square plus 1 plus 2y minus 4 into y minus 1 into y minus 1. That is y minus 1 whole square greater than equal to 0. So, this I am writing again here y square plus 1 plus 2y minus 4 into y minus 1 whole square greater than equal to 0, or y square plus 1 plus 2y minus 4 into, if I open this, y square plus 1 minus 2y greater than equal to 0, or this gives me y square plus 1 plus 2y minus 4y square minus 4 minus into minus plus 4 to the 8y greater than equal to 0. Now, if you simplify this, what you are getting? Plus y square minus 4y square, which gives me 3y square. So, minus 3y square. 8y plus 2y is nothing but 10y. Minus 4 plus 1 is nothing but minus 3 greater than equal to 0. As I told you in the previous question also, the equation is starting with negative, but I want to make this as a positive. So, what I am doing, multiplying by negative sign, so this becomes 3y square minus 10y plus 3, and this greater than equal to 0 become less than equal to 0. Now, if I find the factors, 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9. What are the factors of 10? Minus 9y minus y is nothing but minus 10y. So, which gives me 3y square minus 10y minus y plus 3 less than equal to 0. Or, if I take out 3y common, what is inside? Y minus 3. If I take out minus common, what is inside? Y minus 3 less than equal to 0. Or, which gives me 3y minus 1 into y minus 3 less than equal to 0. Or, this gives me y is less than equal to 1 by 3 and y is less than equal to 3. So, what he asked in the question, we have to find the range of the given expression. Therefore, range is equal to, b is less than equal to, therefore, you have to write in the closed interval, that is 1 by 3 comma 3. Is it clear? So this is the another way of asking the question compared to the previous one. And from this question, he may ask one more point. He will give the expression and he may ask, find the maximum value of the given expression. So here, what is the maximum value or greatest value? What is the greatest value? That is 3 is the greatest value and 1 by 3 is the least value. Okay. So these are the important questions of this chapter. Similar questions are there in your textbook. You go and practice those questions. Inshallah, if you have any doubt or if you are unable to understand any concept, you may ask. Okay, I will explain this once more. Now, क्या हमको दिया क्या था? क्या दिया है हमको? अगर x belongs to R, तब x स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस 1 बाई एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स प्लस 1 की 7 मालूम करो. रेंज का मतलब होता है 7. तो ये क्वेश्चन आपके लिए 4 मार्क्स से पूछ सकता हूँ या 100 मार्क्स से पूछ सकता. बहरहाल एग्जामिनर पे डिपेंड है वो. You don't bother about the marks. You have to see the value of the question. Okay? तो हम यहाँ क्या सपोज करें, जब तूने बोल दिया है कि x हकीकी है, तो हम यहाँ पे क्या करें, y भी कोई हकीकी कदर बोल के फर्ज का नहीं, फर्ज करो y भी कोई हकीकी कदर है. Therefore y मसावी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस 1 बाई एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1. राइट, ये ले लिए. लेकिन क्या करें, इसको जरबे चली पे करें. y इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस 1. राइट, इसको ओपन कर रहे हैं ब्रैकेट को, y एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई एक्स प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस 1 और वाई एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई एक्स प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू अंदर बुला लिए तो क्या होगा, माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. नाउ यहाँ हमारा मकसद है कि इसको हम दो दर्जे मसावात में तब्दील करें. तो अगर मैं यहाँ से एक्स स्क्वायर कॉमन निकालता हूँ तो यहाँ बचेगा y, यहाँ बचेगा 1, तो y माइनस 1 एक्स स्क्वायर. यहाँ दोनों में से एक बाहर निकाल लिया हमें, तो अंदर बच गया माइनस ऑफ y प्लस 1 प्लस ऑफ y माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. इसका नाम मसावात 1. अब आप जरा इसको देखें तो इससे अंदाजा होगा कि ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी की सूरत में मसावात है. देयरफॉर इक्वेशन 1 मसावात 1 दो दर्जे मसावात है और इसके रेशे हकीकी होंगे अगर डेल्टा मसावी है बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac ग्रेटर इक्वल टू 0. अगर डेल्टा की कदर बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac से बड़ी होगी तो इसके रेशे क्या होंगे, हकीकी होंगे. तो मैं इनके रेशे दर्ज कर रहा हूँ. यहाँ एक की कदर है y माइनस 1, बी की कदर है माइनस ऑफ y प्लस 1, सी की कदर है y माइनस 1. ओके, नो बी स्क्वायर तो माइनस ऑफ y प्लस 1, माइनस ऑफ y प्लस 1 का स्क्वायर हो जाता है y प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर माइनस 4. a व्हाट इज a, y माइनस 1. व्हाट इज c, y माइनस 1. so which gives me y plus 1 whole square, right? So on expanding this, y square plus 1 plus 2y minus of 4 into y minus 1 y into y minus 1, y minus 1 into y minus 1 होता है y minus 1 whole square. ये जैसा का वैसा माइनस 4 जैसा का वैसा, इसको खोल रहा हूँ मैं, तो a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab की सूरत है, तो y स्क्वायर प्लस 1 माइनस 2y ग्रेटर इक्वल टू 0. तो y स्क्वायर प्लस 1 प्लस 2y, इसको माइनस से ओपन किए तो माइनस 4y स्क्वायर माइनस इंटू प्लस माइनस 4 माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस 8y ग्रेटर इक्वल टू 0. अब देखिए प्लस y स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर माइनस 4y स्क्वायर, ये गिव्स मी माइनस 3y स्क्वायर. नाउ प्लस 8y प्लस 2y इज इक्वल टू 10y, 1 माइनस 4 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3. तो यहाँ मसावत क्या हो रहा, नेगेटिव से शुरू हो रही है, लेकिन मेरा मकसद इसको पॉजिटिव बनाना, तो क्या करूँ मैं, माइनस से इसको जरूरत दे रहा हूँ, तो ये बन जाएगा 3y स्क्वायर माइनस 10y प्लस 3 ग्रेटर इक्वल टू 0 जाके बन जाता है लेस देन इक्वल टू 0. अब इनके रेशे मालूम करो, 3 3 का 9 होता, इसके दो टुकड़े होते माइनस 10y माइनस y इज माइनस 10y. ओके, तो 3y स्क्वायर माइनस 10y माइनस y प्लस 3 लेस देन इक्वल टू 0. और इफ आई टेक आउट 3y कॉमन, अंदर क्या बन जाता y माइनस 3, यहाँ से माइनस कॉमन निकाल लिया तो अंदर क्या बचा y माइनस 3 लेस देन इक्वल टू 0. या 3y माइनस 1 एक ब्रैकेट में, y माइनस 3 दूसरी ब्रैकेट में, या y लेस देन इक्वल टू 3 या y लेस देन इक्वल टू 1/3. तो y की दो खतरे आ गई, तो हमको मालूम करना था 7, ये 7 मालूम करना था. देयरफॉर रेंज मसावी है 1/3 कॉमा 3. इसको बंद वक्त में लिखते हैं, पहले छोटी कदर आती बाद में बड़ी कदर आती. आ गया समझिए. चलिए आज के लिए इतना है, काफी है. इंशाल्लाह फिर मुलाकात होगी और इसके बाद के कुछ और अहम सवालात कोई दूसरे चैप्टर के हम इंशाल्लाह डिस्कस करेंगे. जब तक के खुदा हाफिज, थैंक यू.